Welcome to ClockInMaster. In this guide, open shifts. Cover a busy day without ringing round. Some days turn out busier than the rota you built for them. A big booking, a match on, a Saturday that just goes. Until now, the only way to get 3 more people in was to start ringing round. This is the screen that replaces that. You post the shift once, everybody at the store is told, and the first people to accept take the places. Nobody is scheduled without you saying yes. New open shift. The day, the hours, and the part that makes this different from an ordinary shift: how many people you need. 3 first come, first served. There is room for a note, because big party booked in tells somebody deciding whether to give up their Saturday evening more than a time does. Post and notify, and that is the ringing round done. On the phone, it lands in open shifts, a tab of its own, because a shift the manager is offering is not the same thing as a colleague giving one up. 3 places left, the hours and the note. Accept or ignore it. Ignoring hides it from that person only and tells you nothing, because "not for me" is not something you can act on. He accepts. His card moves to "you asked for" and says it is waiting for you, because it is a request, not a booking. On your side, the count moves to 1 of 3 taken, with his name and approve and reject beside it. And this is the part that had to be built carefully. The places are counted on the server, inside a transaction. Everybody was notified at the same moment, so 2 people tapping accept on the last place in the same second is normal, not an edge case. 3 places go to 3 people, and the 4th is told the places have gone, rather than being accepted and let down later. Prove. The place is now his. The strip says approved, and the shift is written onto his rota, which the phone picks up on its own. The same request is also sitting in shift management, with everything else waiting on you, because 1 approval queue is enough for anybody. Here is what that does to the roster, and it is the biggest change in this release. Until now, a person had 1 shift a day. He was already on 9 to 12 on Saturday, and he has just taken 6 to 11, so the cell says 2 shifts, with the hours for the day underneath. On his phone, the same day carries a +1. Neither screen pretends the second shift is not there, and neither tries to squeeze 2 times into a box this wide. Click it, and you get the day itself. Shift 1, rostered 9 to 12. Shift 2, from the open shift, 6 to 11. The hours and the cost for the whole day at the top, and each shift can be edited or taken off on its own, except the claimed one, which can be removed but not retimed, because those are the hours the person agreed to. The week is also right. Their hours and your wage total both count both shifts. And here is the one he cannot have. 11 to 3 overlaps the 9 to 12 he is already working, so his phone does not offer him an accept button at all. It tells him he is already working at that time. He is not allowed to try and then be refused. The app answers before he taps. The same check covers an overnight shift still running from the day before, and anybody with approved time off that day is never shown the shift in the first place. That is it. It is on Android, on iPhone and iPad, and in any browser. The links are in the description below. Control of your business.